Are you stressed out about a leaking roof? If so, then I know exactly where you're coming from. There's nothing worse than water leaking through your roof while you wonder just how much damage it's causing and how much it's going to cost to fix it. You feel a deep sense of regret, wishing you had gotten your roof checked earlier before it became a major problem. Until now, you weren't sure who you could trust to diagnose the issue and give you an affordable solution. The big problem is that a lot of roofers charge you as much as $100 as an inspection or trip fee. So even if the solution is a simple repair, it's still going to cost you $100 just to find out what's wrong. That's why today we're thrilled to let you know about our free estimate program. We've been helping local families with their roofing problems for over 13 years with any kind of roof from shingle to tile to flat. Our free estimate program means that for free, you get fast response service and an answer to your roof questions. What makes this service different from other roofing companies out there is that there's no additional costs. No trip fees, no labor fees, no higher after-hour or weekend rates. Specifically, you'll discover exactly what's wrong with your roof, the least expensive solution to fix the problem, and when your roof can be put on the schedule to make it watertight again. But don't listen to me. Here's what our customers are saying about our service. Our Douglas from Mesa says, "We had a leak in our roof that we had let go for a long time. We knew we had to get it repaired, but we were afraid to hear how bad it was. We took advantage of the free estimate and had them do the work. They were affordable, worked quickly, and cleaned up afterwards. We were very happy with the results and would recommend them to anyone. And we don't fear thunderstorms anymore." As we said before, the cost to find out exactly what's causing your roof problem is a big fat zero because our estimates are free. Look, money doesn't fall from trees. The reason we give free estimates is we understand people just can't afford to fork out hundreds of dollars every time they're faced with a roof question. But here's a friendly word of advice. If we get too busy, we may have to reconsider just because of the limited amount of hours in a week. So don't delay and call us for your free estimate before we change our policy. If you're looking for peace of mind for your home and family, just pick up the phone and call us now at 480-725-5829. And you should know that we're licensed, bonded, and insured and completely guarantee our work. You've wasted enough of your time, energy, and sanity trying to figure out what's causing your roof problem. In just a few minutes, you could be setting an appointment to have one of our professionals stop by your home and give you an affordable solution. So picture right now the next time you're faced with a thunderstorm wondering whether your roof will hold up. Instead of stressing out with water dripping through your roof causing more damage, you make one simple call, and within a day or two, a qualified roofing professional has shown you the solution and eliminated the problem forever. So call us right now at 480-725-5829, get your free estimate scheduled, and put your roof problems behind you today.